In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID to install apps to your iPhone. So whether you want to remove having to enter your password or you just want to use Face ID to add an additional layer of security to your account, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So the first thing is to head over to the Settings app on your phone. Then we need to scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode for your iPhone. Where it says iTunes in App Store, make sure this option is turned on like so. You may need to enter the passcode to your iPhone account to confirm these changes. Once you've done that, come back over to the main settings page, click on Screen Time from the list, scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions are turned on. Click on iTunes and App Store Purchases, and where it says Require Password, we're going to select Don't Require. And now if we head over to the App Store on your phone and you try to download and install a new application, you can see that it now requires our Face ID in order to download this, and it's as simple as that. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.